tēnā tātou te whānau whānui o Ngāti Kuia, noi mai ki te horapā. Ko tēnei te Huringa Kirihimete Kaumātua. So this is our end of year Kaumātua whānau lunch, and it's an awesome day. We've had lots of whānau come and we're excited about getting to the end of the year and celebrating this time of year.
I remember a time when we couldn't afford to do this, but now we've gone from 30 or 40 kaumata to a whare full, and all the kaimahi come along and help.
I think our kaumata just love spending time with each other, celebrating together, seeing whānau they haven't seen for a while, having a bit of fun, a bit of kani, catching up with their old mates, talking about what's going on for the year and looking forward to spending time with their whānau.
I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
We have titi, we have power patties, we have muscle patties for our kaumātua today. My main job was the dessert, so.
Wishing everyone a safe, kia haumaru te noho, a safe and prosperous. Enjoy spending time with your whānau. Get out as much as you can, relax, enjoy the festive season. Ngā mihi.